All right, we are back again. Oh my goodness. So we are back again. We are back again, and I'm going to record the video. Okay. The problem is that to some of you that watch what happened, I know many of us are worried. We are kind of thinking about what happened. The video was deleted and everything. They are not happy with this video. That's the problem. They said I shouldn't have played it on a live broadcast, but I can record it, not played it on live broadcast because it's holding G catapult Naka. So, but I believe if you have watched that video that was deleted, please, this is a continuation. I cannot go back there. It's a waste of time, please. I cannot go back again. And maybe when I have the time, I will. If I have the time, I will. If there's anything, because I know that we'll still have time to. I cannot just give up on these people and their evil agenda. So this is a continuation of where we stopped. I'm gonna record it this way, although I may not have the time to spend like I would normally spend on live broadcast because recording video this like this, some people are feel bored to watch it. But if you are running it on a live broadcast, you will watch it without having any problem, any issue with it because you watch it in group, right? So this for those who appreciate what we do, because I know some of you don't like this kind of video where we're talking about what actually matter to us. Some of us play down on it. I don't know why. So the voodoo of these people of Fulani is actually going on in everybody's life. Some of you may say doubt it, but somebody now they like you watch video ebe a na-agwa gị maka ogbugbu a na-egbu na be na ka ndị bụ ụmụnna anyị si wee bụzere ndị a na-use as an instrument, willing tools. On half go for you don't want to stand, you can't even accept that kind of information. Akajiki. Or both that na able somebody na finance ndị na-eme ife ọjọọ na akwụsala na ke ndị udo gaji ma gọvanọ nke ọbụla bụ akajiki. Because Jesus Christ said that Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they're doing, right? For they don't know what they're doing. So that's the way the Bible put that. So it depends on the Bible you are reading. If you are reading standard version, the grammar is somehow different, right? Now, this our brother here, we are going to play it again. But before then, now you know that we face challenges. I don't need to beg you, but I have to beg you. Please like the video and share it. Okay. I would like to read your comment as well. It's not about Kai report, but it's about all of us. We need to understand if any push one night for them if like the person by video before. Or Cassius Jovike or Jovika. That man they got more ajomo than the Gary Trewu Pericon. Now and you can go rago. Many of them, right? Please give me your ear. Can we even the choice play this video? If you Kugasleba at the end of the video. Now somebody one of our brother na ball according to the video, the name both Two-Face Dibia. Nickname one name mother. Ebulia. Ndibulia. So you find out the forger carry because pay attention to dialect. This is our brother here. I'm para born on us. But I'm not what even so. Because I from somebody on Facebook ndị film ndị otu ike nkafa na this guy bodo Igbo self na cause if on asụ abụọ asụ ndị Igbo and akọghịrị. And if you're one of those, because I saw someone on comment section telling me speak English. I believe in the English. Yes, I believe everything. No way came on so by and didn't so by you may not even understand my own Igbo, but pay attention to that so you can understand it. All right. Although we are not here if I have a linguistic class about English 101. No. So please Let's go there. Listen.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. No matter your location and your base. Ụbọchị taa ahụ 28 of September 2025. Afam kawakwa Biafra must go. Biafra must go. Wakwa afam. Ama agwa ọhara nwe eze ndị Biafra si niile all over the world. Ọbụbụla ndị Biafra si niile nụcha. Ma mba ụwa niile. Ama eji ohere n'ala agbasara unu ozi m nwetara na ha na-eme arọ ndị zọl obi n'etiti ala mmanụ ha si naanị yunifọm na-eme ebe ha na-ebube agụ asarị dọkụbọ mee na-eme ebe na arọ ndị zọl mana obi n'etiti mana ala mmanụ ha abụọ bụ o nwere vidio m ga-agbanye n'unu unu ga-awọchị da vidio hụ ka ndị Nigeria terrorists enemies of Biafra otu ha si na-agba ochie ụmụnne anyị wụ ndị Biafra ụmụnne anyị ndị Igbo innocent soul otu ha si egbuchi ya ameji ohere na na-ekele the Triple G, the Chief of Armed Forces in Biafra land. Kamansa. Dịka m ga-agbanye unu vidio a unu ga-awọchị ya mba niile ga-awọchị vidio a wee hụ otu ụmụnna ịsha nwụchi ya laka Biafra laka people kpọrọ onwe hụ Nigeria Zoo, Nigeria terrorist, ndị ebube agụ asarị dọkụgbọ men, ndị arọ ndị zọgụ plantịrị n'ime hụ kpọbatara n'ime hụ ha na-abịa egbu isi ụmụnne iwu ndị Biafra innocent soul. Ọnwụ onye na-akpọrọ unu onye na-akpọ onye dịkachi hero onye dịkachi hero nwata onye ka eji Two-Face dibịa wee mara nwa dibịa nọ na arọ ndị zọg onye arọ ndị zọg after obi etiti gbagome onye dịkachi hero na ndị nọ na ndị a Fulani herdsmen a yunifọm nọ n'obodo etiti ha na ndị asarị dọkụbọ men gburu nwatakịrị nwokorobịa onye dibịa ọ lara onwe ya ọrụ dibịa ọrụ ha Biafra Liberation Army dibịa ọla gwọrọ ha ọgwụ asarị dọkụbọ men egbuo ya n'ime ọhịa ha buru ibu gbata ndị ke ahụri ozu ka a na-agwa unu ka m egosi unu ndị a ha gara ga-egbukwe aga na ala mmanụ abụọ bụ ga-egbukwe ya na-akpọ Ifeanyị Okoro onye ala mmanụ abụọ bụ ha egbukwere n'ime ọhịa otu ha si legbochi ya ụmụnne anyị ha malitekwala ihe ndị asarị dọkụbọ men and the Fulani uniform nọ na White House ihube na-emekwe ndị amalitekwere ebe obodo etiti ala mmanụ abụọ bụ Ifeanyị Okoro a ọwụ onye na-agbara onwe ya mbọ onye innocent soul nwokorobịa ka ndị a gburu. Ana m agwa unu Biafra niile ndị mba ụwa niile n'ebe ọbụla ha nọ dị iche iche unu leme Helile Aleboare, Nizogulebo, Jato the Yahoo, Mpakigwe, Lawyer Abuga, Kemba, Jato the Yahoo, Nigeria, terrorist, bandit, within Nigeria, politician of Akaraka, may meeting where poison on yeah, poison. Kemba, you find it, Jato the Yahoo, and I don't know earlier. Mana, ask me just fast, Lila, she chap behind it, but I hang with her where back here. Ugwa! Oge me, ọ ga-agbahụ ndị ụwa niile n'anya. Ha niile wụ ndị Biafra si niile, ọ ga-agbahụ unu n'anya. Unu sọrọ Jato di Yahoo bụ oshi ya. Kemgbe Jato di Yahoo na-anọghị ya, unu ahụ n'aka asarị dọkụgbọ men isi egbuchi ya innocent soul bụ ndị Biafra. Ha na-asị na anyị uniform. Asụmụ on na tuare Jato di Yahoo. On tie lekpere, Biafra tie ni han lekpere. Ha ga-agbake. And ndị Igbo niile, ndị Biafra niile, ọ ga-agbahụ unu n'anya, oge m unu n'anya. Mgbe ahụ, unu ga-eti mmakwara ga-apụta n'ikpeazụ. Eziokwu ejiri akala apụtara. Unu ga-eti mmakwara mgbe finani uniform and asarị dọkụgbọ men egbuchichala ụmụnne unu. Ndị Biafrans. Arụ ndị zọgụ na plant hụ n'ime unu. Ha bitela ha malitela ọrụ hụ. Unu gwara hụ ha arụma. Na-egbuchi innocent soul. Ha na-egbuchi ọ Biafrans niile. Na mitin ha mere. Wee kwa na ụka kpa nkata otu ha ga-eji gbuchicha ndị Igbo niile, ndị Biafrans niile, innocent soul niile. Ọ nọ na-akụrụ ha aka. Mgbe ọbụla ha egbuchichara youth niile wụ Biafrans niile, mgbe ka ọ ga-agbahụ unu n'anya. Unu etinye mmakwara. Asị m mba niile, ọha nweze niile, mba ụwa niile, ndị kele awọchị ihe onyonyo na asị m dịka ịla awọchị, like, comment and share. Like, comment and share. Share ya ka oru. Ozi agbasa rute mba niile ntị. Na Jato di Yahoo, unu tikwe ya n'ekpere. Jato di Yahoo, asị m Biafra unu tikwe ahụ n'ekpere. Ka ha enwe ya dịka ọfa, wee nwetacha ọnwụ ha. Ameji ọha ya na-ala ekelekwa the Chief of Armed Forces in Biafra land, the Triple G. Amansa.
Now listen, this is the guy that bad. This guy here, they bad him. All right? Who bad him? Who bad him? I'm Igbo youth to fight against Igbo youth. You know, it's not something. Let's just remove sentiment. Do you understand? Like I said in the previous video, in that our live broadcast that these people decided to remove, we are the one holding ourselves down. I don't know how much they paid this kind of people, these people. I don't know what they want to gain. For we to, you know, when I say we, I'm not actually referring to all of us, but for these Efulefus to decide, for them to decide to venture into this nonsense, taking advice from Gumi and rest of them, should be a thing of concern. And that simply means that our people are not as smart as we claim that we are. Not everybody, like I said, but the number of Efulefu that our people are producing now. Don't tell me because of we love money. No, this is not money. How much are they making? This is just stupidity. Want to be relevant by committing crime? Who does that? Northerners are not like, they are not like this. A professor from south, from east, is the one, Gumi, is playing with his brain. That tells you all you need to know. Watch. I don't want to say much.
You want them? They want to face.
Yeah.
Dibia! 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 Two-face Dibia! Hey! Two-face Dibia! Two-face Anamamogo! One level busy, they call you! Two-face Abogangi Binia! Binia Abogangi! Hey!
They're one after the other. They're out
Look at my brother. Look at my brother. Look at my brother.
What do you want me to do? 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 What do
My brother.
They shall never go punish you. They will never go punish you. They will never go punish. They will never go punish.
Hey, Hey, I'm gonna answer.
You are hearing that, right? You can hear them. This the guy that I just showed to you now. His family members are crying. Crying. Look at the guy here.
You want them?
Now, what they said the guy is a Dibia, or I don't know his job.
You want them?
Let's see if you can see his picture again. Okay, this is a picture of the guy. They fired him. Does this guy look like a threat to anybody? Does he look like a threat to anybody? After this, you now see somebody defending this kind of thing, trying to, just because you want to get back at Mass Namakan, which he did not steal anything from you. Like the one called Jojo Ibe, is insulting himself. You know, a lot of things is going on. And this our brother actually replied to Ikenga, which all these things is what I wanted to share. You know, I'm rushing this video because it's not a recording video. I don't want to, have a very long video. Okay, so just bear with me because that's what the owner of the platform wants us to do. We have to follow that. Listen.
Abia State. My brother or my father, whoever that you think you are to me, if you want to defend somebody, defend that person. Don't bring Igbo into what you're doing. Don't bring Igbo. Stop setting us up. The person you are defending is so good, but you will not let your children to join him. Whatever Biafra they are fighting for is so good, but you will not even go and present it before the president. But you will come and tell us that we are doing it good, but you don't want to present it in the house. Why are you people so deceitful now? Why are you people deceiving the youth? You knew it's not possible to grant somebody who is facing terrorism charges any permission to go to, any hospital of his choice.
He can't go Ruago. He can't go Ruago. He can't go Ruago. Barabara ferofe na danger. Too much of everything is very, very bad. Namna to the way as ka 1 year we go be afike, 1 year we go be afike, all the very, very bad. I could remember maybe the mouthpiece of IPOB. Maybe IPOB nisi. I could remember, according to you, now past 11 years, came over with these people about IPOB. That 11 years, you never see them as evil. 11 years later, you are sinking them. praising them, carrying their matter for head everywhere. Even during the answers in Naba, all your videos can be wow. During the answers in Naba. Sibenka. In South Africa, na BC, a man a honor. I know a day like this will come that you are a bunch of betrayers. Even those people you think you are working for, they know you as a bloody betrayer. Even the buyer will not trust you. In another blame this chief from other state in their blame, let him speak for himself. Now the Kano, I heard you saying terrorism case. Giwabu, he can't gafano, not he can't Guruago, because he can never be somebody like you can never be king and Guruago. Guruago is a kingdom. You can never be that Ikenga. He will be king gafano, he can't bingo cable, he can't gafano the cable. Look at Eden Man in a video in our challenge. Because of okay, let me ask you, made a broadcast no open air, both channel television, everybody not there. We made broadcast that's now what is happening in the southeast. Now can the politicians no name, never can the unknown government, never can the politicians. Video you have never analyzed that video. I was even watching for you to analyze that video. You skip way as usual. Bandits na Castena na Gasare, local government of Castena. Potara na Igwe with the arms and the wood Igwe na sophisticated weapon. Where they make video na woman na open air. He can't go rago. Even a video you connect that video. He connect that video. Me connect. Nandi Babron there bandit. Ndi Babron terrorism. Non dasa terrorism. And you believe in one Nigeria, you can't go. You believe in one Nigeria. So when end up one Nigeria that no gonna have a general fair treatment. When they will be gone. Now Ndi Boni nebu Bizagon. Ndi Boni Igbo race nebu Bizagon. They are not part of Nigeria. They are not one Nigeria. What is given to Mr. A can never be given to Mr. B. The treatment you give to the Northerners, you cannot give them to the Eastern. And the treatment you give to the Westerners, you cannot even extend it to the...
Don't be angry that I'm not talking much on this video because I told you because of the time, I have to manage the time. But these are part of the things that I wanted to share with us. But I can't touch all of them because there are so many. But the people that own the platform will resist us. So he's giving it to this guy called Ikenga. I love the response that I love everything that he said here.
Easterners, and you call yourself Ikenga Fano. Oh, you have from today, Ikenga Fano came because he even working. He wasn't even working. I was waiting for you. All this that is happening in Lagos State, here to one day, how to bring their properties and down to east. Can maybe the guy develop, but you never say so. No, but you know, John Igbo. You never was we brought this guy. Because no penty black. See, let me tell you, your kind 1 million can never bring Igbo race down. Let me tell you, let me look at me eyeball to eyeball. Here, but now if not, I would have removed my eyeglass. Your kind 1 million can never bring Igbo race down. If you are not the true son of Igbo person, I myself have been one Igbo, Mpamba one Igbo, Mambi Igbo, Obaramu Igbo, Nukumpamberi, Anderi, Abro Yujo. You think that not here, please your masters, keep it so that can always bomb money. Time shall come in Russia and South Africa. Be a Batama Nigeria, you still come. But I'm been the guy in our old which I'm going to tell you yourself. Your root, your original root, Abro Uruago. Because all you Uruago, or Bill Uruago cannot do this. Uruago cannot harbor a person like you. About the just that was on you, but 11 years ago in South Africa, that Quarica, Katsoro, you don't know, there's already under the umbrella of not the Cano, there's already under the umbrella of IPOB. So that had the Bulanisi, and may frag, given our champion, all the whole protest. Do you think we have forgotten? I ain't we do Guru In a champion all the protests at the men Southeast. In South Africa, it was make arrest. If you call him a terrorist, terrorism charges, it was we can go beg arrest because he's so the car since you call him a terrorist. Imagine so the terrorist because he's a champion of protests. All the protests didn't even he's a champion there in South Africa. Remember the ESN, he's a champion, he's a support ESN. Now, not the kind of terrorists because now if they are publicly denounced, so even if you don't want to, obuli uni gabu Biafra, obuli uni gabu IPOB babu half of money, obuli uni gabu an association. If you want to denounce the association, you deny it on yourself. Ni mo bigi. Obviously, the now say, "I say, no, you can't baseball money. He baseball money." Since he's way better, obviously he's like, "I don't want fresh. Now I don't want fresh. Now, but before I wurahu, he can't get. He been in South Africa. For even in South Africa, this year, next year, he will be bataba. The same South I hear now. Okweba ka do doguni the all for one man do for United. All the big boys in South Africa. Christmas habit na aru hotel na aru den na aru so na papu mmiri na emere obodo hive na eme empowerment. In South Africa for years also he put a microphone for they take it to Facebook get go drop he will catch $1,000 more $500 because he wasn't view. He na check it out he got on Igbo he will view. He did one single view. He was a content creator. Open my content and I am going to go to Southeast content creator. Can I blend? They go to case content and blogging. Open the Bob Nekuma and Dibu. If there was Bumapaka Amusu, Mapataka actually and Chedak you put on Dibu. He can they appear. See, they can only say right down on your comment section, but down within themselves, they know you as a bunch of betrayer. He gave betray Wundibo. He gave betray Wundibo. Ever since 1960. Till date, nobody will be president. You can't get through. You can't get far. Can I be president? On your way, a mama to do to the Mahife. When anyone has some stable president of Nigeria, if I may ask you, when Ojuku came back from Ivory Coast, for more Apoga with Indo, why are they have that support for the president of Nigeria? Mbaba, the president of Nigeria, Chinaraja, all distant force, Kojuku Batara, to tell you that no way based on ever since Nandia's Kiwe Suwe, Borocha ceremonial president for 3 years and beginning, because he's not even the main president. Honorable president is the prime minister, ceremonial president. After the Nandia's Kiwe and Nabu Hiroshi, who else but the president of Nigeria? One day, work about Izu, first Senate president. Till today, we go Igbo next smell upper chamber. The answer is no. Oh yeah, get smell the smell. Mboike for the money but vice Senate president. Call in prison. Or where they joke with. I don't hear for the money made today. Or be me here buna. He made today. Whatever you say compare where he can do good on daily basis. They got a good over there. MF you want everything but mother free. Uranu Kureni, a bag South Yakotan Dibo. Kara bomb up and a queenful against one fee bobna, Gejala Seremiri.
He said, now, it did not end there. Pay attention because like I said, I don't know that I will come back to record this video, to be honest with you, but just bear with me. Now, this is a video that I want us to just quickly go through before we end this video, because the minute is adding up already. As you can see on screen, this is what you need to understand about what is going on in Nigeria. The world should understand that the Nigerian government are main sponsor of Ndobonigwe, Fulani extremist jihadists that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. It is an ongoing war of jihad for the total Islamization of the country. All this clip, all these messages out there, you will not see them talking about it. Never. It is haram in the mouths and the eyes of Okengurago, Keshosu, Jovika, Onowibo. Of course, you can speak that one go AJ trash. Now, hear this Yoruba person as an army officer, commander of army officer, baby.
I've served
before.
in military
Listen.
Intelligence.
Listen.
I've served in military intelligence for the past 35 years.
Okay.
It has always been the case. Our problem is religion and social-cultural. I mean, people would expect me to come here and start talking about kinetics, about operation and so on. I've been an operational commander all my life. I've commanded warships, I've commanded troops, I've commanded men outside Nigeria and so on. But I'm not going to come to your station to discuss kinetics. The problem is not kinetics. In 2017, 2016, I'm always a member of the Security and Intelligence Brief at the Defense Headquarters. So the center of gravity of Boko Haram and insurgency in Nigeria are the sponsors of that program.
Okay.
It was beyond us.
Okay.
Because the job we need to do is kinetics. Fight, destroy places, resolve issues. Yeah. But we cannot resolve issue of sponsors of Boko Haram that were in Buhari's government that we know then. When you say we, who? I was in the military intelligence. And the defense headquarters staff that I work with, they know. And that was why we couldn't pursue that aspect that will have resolved that problem. Because you need to arrest people. And recently, 400 people were gathered as sponsors of Boko Haram. Why is it that government has refused to try them? You remember this Boko Haram issue started since 2012. Yeah. And I was in the military intelligence that time. We arrested those people. It is my organization that actually conducts interrogation and interview. And they mention names. I mean, I can't come on the air and start mentioning names of people that are presently in government now that I know. Presently in government. That the boys that we arrested mentioned. Some of them are governors now. Some of them are in the Senate. Some of them are in Aso Rock. Why?
Now, you got the message, right? This is not meant for one person to hear. It is in the public. This is another person, another Fulani man said, Boko Haram and Fulani bandit are northern Nigerian freedom fighters. Let me take it again. And the person that what is the name of this guy? He said Adamo Gaba. Okay, you know his face. This is another person who always want to talk about Israel and Palestinian. He said Boko Haram and Fulani bandits are northern Nigerian freedom fighters. It makes sense to you? Now,
my name.
Listen. Now, the so-called these Igbo Efulefus claim they are Christians. So now hear what because Jovika, who claimed he's a Wokochukwu or whatever he called himself, look at your colleague in lordship, and he said he have a message in case if you are too blind or you have ear problem. Listen.
My name is Ezekiel Dacho, Reverend Ezekiel Dacho. The truth is that I'm back from India. When I was in India, Yahya Jingir made a statement that they should stop arresting the Fulani terrorists.
A Fulani man warning Nigerian government to stop arresting. They haven't even made a major arrest like to compare what they have done. Government publicly, but in the East, they are throwing parties that they kill or buy their own. Ijo.
So Fulani has a right. And one thing that I know with the security, they are all behind their clerics, especially the Muslims that are in Nigerian security.
Okay.
They are behind what their cleric has said.
Okay.
I came back
and I discovered 27 people were killed. I have not even visited the graveyard. Today, to visit and also consult the people in Bindi, host Riyom local government. I was in India, I was watching. Now that I'm in the executive council meeting of Church of Christ in Nation, since yesterday, you see my eyes, I was struggling with sleep. I don't know how to sleep. Since yesterday, they wanted to invade Nyarwe. Nyarwe is an area in Fan district under my jurisdiction. Every time they will call us to calm our youth, while their own youths are not being calm. They invaded my real biological village in Rim. John was under attack. And look at us now, even in the village, they cannot sleep. If my people cannot sleep, how can I sleep? I spoke, and God has broken the power of the sickness that was in me, so that He will keep me alive to come and speak on behalf of His people. My fellow brothers, United Kingdom, I'm begging you to answer Rock. I'm begging you to Washington, D.C., White House. Bush should address Trump. Should address, please, his focus into Nigeria. Because terrorism is taking over Nigeria. They are busy inviting people from Central Africa, Senegal, and other places to come and take over the country. If somebody will tell you that things are normal in this nation, Nigeria, he's a liar.
Okay.
And I can't keep quiet.
Okay.
If I was able to survive cancer in India, I will survive another cancer. That's the Fulani terrorists. I will survive it. Look at me now. I'm going to the village. I have to suspend the general. At the time, my president, I say, I cannot. I'm just like a corpse here. My people are in pain since yesterday. They have destroyed crops. We don't know how to eat. In RCC Rock, what will I do? What sort of leader will I be leading? When another leader is busy igniting crisis.
Okay.
Sheikh Yahya Jingr, by failing to speak to his people to upbringing crisis in the state. Now that I'm trying to ask for peace to reign, then I will become the enemy. Why should I make that statement? I'm not an Islamic lady that I will bring insult. But let me tell you, we are going to do the work of Saul. Saul is to provide, is to preserve. The work of Saul is to make Nigeria grow. The work of Saul is to sanctify. To purify Nigeria is polluted. The work of Saul is to give good test. As a real Christian, we have to do the work of.
So that is his own opinion. No matter what you do, you cannot fix it. That's just the gospel. And I'm not going to further this because the minutes it's adding up. Like I told you, we have not touched everything. But this is just to remind you that our live broadcast was taken down because of what they called going against community guideline and all that. So please bear with us and make sure you like the video. Tell me what you think about it. There's another video that I would like to share with us. Hopefully, I wanted to do that, but I don't know due to the time. Maybe this is 30 minutes. This is 39, close to 40 minutes. So please bear with me and make sure you like the video. If you have time, we're going to record again so you can catch up with the whole information. But be it that may, see you again. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now. God bless you.